Kejriwal treading very carefully, gauging public opinion at every step. Retaining its vote bank and keeping its promises extremely important for the Aam Aadmi Party as it eyes a national role ahead of the 2014 elections. The Aam Aadmi Party National Executive Meet is underway. The party will be discussing its poll strategy for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections at Constitutional Club. AAP has already decided to fight all the seats in Gujarat and will also contest in Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Jugal Purohit is joining us on the phone line. Jugal, in fact, is tracking that national executive meet in the national capital. Jugal, Aam Aadmi Party clearly eyeing a national role. Gujarat specifically is a place where they want to contest from all the 27 seats.
That's correct. They've said it in the past, and essentially today what we will see at the end of this national executive is a proper formal announcement of the kind of role that they intend upon playing when it comes to the national elections, which are due to take place in the middle of this year. Apart from that, we've been seeing there are a lot of individual statements emanating out of individual Aam Aadmi Party leaders, and this is in that sense an effort to actually have a coherent voice from the side of the party itself, and in no uncertain terms ending all of the doubts and confusions regarding Aam Aadmi Party and the way it perceives itself on the national arena. Today, as I was mentioning, there are also units from Haryana, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu who are participating in this event, in this meet, and we do expect that by the time it ends, which is early this afternoon, is when we'll have some more clarity on what they've decided. But essentially the point in this in calling for a meeting of this type is only to hammer out strategies, identify the kind of candidates that they could have and that they could have as candidates for their party in these areas, as well as identifying the kind of trends which are existing locally vis-a-vis every Lok Sabha seat is concerned, because we've seen in Delhi also that their campaign, even though had a very wide anti-corruption plank, but they also targeted a lot of local issues which differed from constituency to constituency. So this is going to be their approach, and this meeting essentially is a senior level meeting called of all the senior leaders to actually identify these areas and start working upon them.